Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. Now you can see that we have done weekly analysis. Okay guys, on the Monday, how it behave market, you can see that. What happened is that a slightly gap down has happened. After that, continuously consolidate. This is the area where you can see that. I will show you just a second. Okay, you can see here. This is the area where the resistance it taken, once again taken as support, then it broken the resistance and taken here support. You can see that exactly here only it taken support, once again goes upside. You can see that this is the M pattern. After this M pattern slow is break, you can see that how nicely it fallen. Okay guys, you achieved at least this low. Okay guys, you have got very nice trade here also. Otherwise you can see that it act as a double top pattern also. Okay guys, after that it came downside. Okay guys, after that you can see that once again the buyer has been tried at last momentum and it taken it upside. After that on Tuesday you can see that what happened, it slightly open sideways only. After that it closely come and taken here only support. What we have drawn support on weekly analysis, here only it taken support, once again came back. After that it retested. I will just shift this so you get clear idea. Okay guys, you can see here what happened, it taken resistance, once again came back, slightly below only taken resistance, here properly taken resistance and came back. Okay guys, after that you can see here it properly taken here only support. After a slightly gap up open, taken a support, and how nicely one-sided move it has taken it out. Okay guys, here only you have to book your profit because it is continuously acting as a one of the major resistance. Okay guys, one thing I wanted to tell you is that how nicely is that how Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Dow Jones is acted like that only all index except the gold and silver, which we analysis, that will exception. After that all are behave like that only. You can see here also what happened, slightly gap down open. After the price action you can see that it acting as a supporting area. I will just draw it for you. Okay guys, this is acting as a supporting areas. Okay guys, like this. Okay guys, you can see here only first time taken, second time it act as a double bottom type. After it taking support, here you have to buy and your first target will be almost here. After that you can see that it taking supporting area. After that goes up, once again one-sided move and came down. Okay guys, you can see that how nicely it taken a resistance. After that it once again came upside momentum. You can see that it taken here only support and taken it upside momentum. Okay guys, almost how Dow Jones and Nasdaq behave like that only. All the index which we analyze, they also behave like that only. Okay guys, you can see here also what happened on Tuesday. You can see that a sideways market. After that it touches the its high only. This is the high what we have. After that it goes like a sideways market. After that it fallen. Okay guys, how nicely it taken a fallen and gives us very nice target. Okay guys, it taken once again resistance and came down. After that a sideways market and goes sideways only. Okay guys, you can see here. Okay guys, we can see next Russell 3000. Okay guys, we can see the Russell 3000. Okay guys, here is the Russell 3000. You can see that it act as a supporting area because this is tried by the sellers that taken it downside. Okay guys, two times they are acted here. So you can see that here only it acted as a supporting area. Here also once again it come and taken a support. You can see that it is act as a double bottom type. After that you can see that once again here seller taking it downside, but buyer are so much dominated taken it upside momentum. Okay guys, you can see here also what happened is that like that only Nasdaq and Dow Jones how behave like that only they all have been behaved. You can see that one of the main important point is that this is the one-sided move. After that you can see that a swing. After that, this is low. Once again, it taken it a lower low. After that, this low is broken. You have to go for your at least this is your first target. After that, you can take this second target. Okay guys, you can easily achieve your second target within half an hour. So you have got very nice profit. Okay guys, now we can see next SPX. Okay guys, in XPX also what we have discussed in weekly analysis, you can see that after that only on Monday it is you can see here this is the acting as resistance because seller are so much dominated. After that M pattern, you can see that this is low is broken. You can take a here a position up till your first target will be here only and second target will be here. You can see that two target achieved also, and after that a buyer has came. You can see that in all index the buyer are common. You can see here after that four candles which has been made in all index, at the end all buyers has came and taken it upside momentum. Okay guys, after that you can see that here only it taken supporting. It is taking continuously here only support. After that yesterday only you can see that it act as a supporting area. I will just draw it. Okay guys, you can see here. Just a second guys. Okay, it act as support. You can see that two times taken support and goes upside. Okay guys, like this only, here you can see that I will told you that it act as a resistance. It act as a resistance. Seller came once again and taken it downside. Okay guys, like this you have to analyze your, it should be done. Okay guys, this is the one of the major upside momentum has been done. You can see that after that here only it taken a resistance and came down. How nicely you have achieved your target if you have taken this red candle, and your SL will be here red candle top or green candle high. Okay guys, you can see that after consolidating yesterday only it taken a very nice momentum. Okay guys, we can see BKX also, the banking sector. You can see that it has been fallen plus 5% in BKX. After that you can see that yesterday only 3 to 4% rally. Okay guys, after that we can see in semiconductors index, you can see that wholly sideways. After that this is the one momentum. After that this is the price action. However, this is cross, this low is crossed. You can see that retested, this is retested. After that broken, you can see that how nicely it fallen. Okay guys, you can check out my support and resistance and trend line, how it works and how price action works. I have made a video also playlist, you can check out. Okay guys, you can see here two times buyer has tried. After third time, I've always told you that third time if buyer is trying, then it will definitely break and goes upside. It is very rarely that three times tested and goes downside. Third time buyer are so much dominated, they taken it upside momentum only. Okay guys, like this, you know that the gold and silver always, you know that index whenever falls, gold and silver index will always goes upside. Okay guys, this is the benchmark. However, gold and whichever index like Nasdaq and Dow Jones will fallen, then gold always make a big momentum in upside momentum. Okay guys, Dow Jones and Nasdaq will fallen, then gold and silver sector will always boom. Okay guys, in Tesla what I have told you. Okay guys, you can check out also my Tesla's video also. Okay guys, you can see that I have told you five stocks which you can trade on this week. You can see that exactly here only taken support. I have told you this high is broken. You can see that taken support once again retested. This is the acting as supporting area, taken support. You can see that how nicely one-sided move. You can see that how much momentum we have done within one day. You can see here within one day 7% momentum. Okay guys, I know that 8% also consider, but we have taken here position, then our position is 7%, at least 7%. Then after that it achieved here only. I have told you it act as very much resistance. You can see that first time acted, taken resistance, came down, once again taken resistance, came down. Okay guys, now right now buyers are so much hardly trying that it taken it upside that Tesla stock. Okay guys, right now it will be taken it upside, but right now it is taking major resistance. Okay guys, after that I will tell you when you have to buy. After this area, whichever 900 is crossed, then only you can see that once again come and retested at 900 to 895 level. That time only you have to take a investment, or you can take a your position. Okay guys, otherwise you can take a here only short position, because this is the area where it can continuously trade. Okay guys, this week you can see also that the Tesla stock is overvalued from me. Okay guys, because Tesla stock is so much rallied, because that is within 2 years pandemic, which is $190, and right now it is 800, means it is so much overvalued right now. If you, I'm not telling you not to invest, but if you invest in smaller stock which is 100 or 200 or 300, okay guys, within 2 to 3 years, okay guys, they are expected that we can expect that they can be double or triple their values. Okay guys, but in Tesla right now it is only on 800. Okay guys, only on 800 right now. So it will goes up till where? At least 1600, 1000, 500, 1800. You can see that within 3 to 4 years. Okay guys, if it will, you will invest that money in other small stocks, not probably a small stocks, so much small stocks, they are good and fundamentally, but this is right now overvalued. I have told you also, it will come here, you can take your supporting area. I have told you also, you can see here, I have told you also, if it will act as a supporting area, go for it. You can easily achieve here up till here. You can see that it came and given us very nice target within 780. It crosses 700 also, sorry, 700 up till here. It has so much given us, so much nice, within 20 plus percentage rally. Okay guys, so like this you have to invest. Okay guys, we can see that uh, how Thursday will Nasdaq and Dow Jones will work as an index. Okay guys, you can see that this is the major resistance area right now, because this is buyer are so much dominating here, because seller are not trying to, buyers has dominated right now. Okay guys, here buyer are so much dominated, now seller wants to take it downside right now. Okay guys, what will be your probability is that if it will once again take resistance, then your first target will be immediate. This will be your first target, second target, third and fourth. Okay guys, this is the target in downside. We can go for upside momentum also. Okay guys, you can see that if it will break or gives us upside momentum, then take a support and take your immediate first target will be this, second target and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum for Dow Jones. Nasdaq also we can see that, mm, you can see that this is the one of the major resistance which I have drawn. Okay guys, this is the major resistance area right now. Okay guys, so what we have to do is that this is the major, one of the major resistance area. It is acting right now. Okay guys, in smaller time frame, in bigger time frame it is acting as a more resistance in here. Okay guys, this big big box. Okay guys, right now what we can see that if it will take resistance from here only, then once again you can see your first target will be here. Okay guys, second target and your third target. Okay guys, these are the three target. In upside momentum also we can discuss that how it can behave for Thursday. You can see that if once again it take a support here, then your first immediate target will be here only. I am telling you that let it be cross, otherwise you are risky trade, then go for it. Your first target will be this, second target and your third target. Okay guys, you can go for further also if you are confident, then you go for it. Okay guys, in Russell 3000 also you can see that it broken its major resistance area. Right now it is on the supporting area. Okay guys, then if once again it can retest it from here or somewhere here, it is reversible, then your first target will be this second and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target and it act as a resistance. Okay guys, because here seller are so much dominating right now. Okay guys, if once again it came downside and making a price action, then your first immediate target will be this, second here, and third guys. These are the three target for Russell 3000. SPX, you can see that in XPX also what we are seeing is that, okay guys, this is also, just a second, this is the wrong trend line right now. Okay, here you can see that I am seeing this is the one of the major resistance area is like that, it is making a trend line like this. Okay guys, so what we can do is that if once again it taken from here resistance, then your first immediate target will be this, second immediate target will be this, third immediate target will be this. Okay guys, these are the three target in downside. You can take here, if it crosses this and taken a supports from this area only, then your first target will be this, second target, and your small target will be, third target will be here. Okay guys, these are the three targets which you can go for it. Okay guys, these are the some of the analysis for you. Also we can see in Tesla, if it broke, okay guys, right now two times it rise, if it will break and taking support somewhere here, then you can go for upper side momentum also guys. Whichever, however it makes a price action, you can go for it. If it once again take from here only resistance, it is probability is very low that it once again take resistance here, because it will open gap down, then it will be goes downside only. If open gap up, then it take as a supporting only. Okay guys, if once again probability, so your first target will be here, second target, and your third target. If probability is that taken resistance from here only, then only you can go for this downside. Otherwise you can go for upside. If gap up open and taken support here somewhere, then you can go for it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.